Hello everyone, this is next unboxing tools from China. I will unbox this big one and we will look what inside this small one. Let's do it and find out the quality of the Chinese tools for their prices. Let's look. So good packaging or what? Oh, this is set for knife set for trimmer. I use this trimmer when I'm doing for OSB edge bending. On both sides, this is 18mm version. On both and it oversized of this about 2mm, 20mm. So on both sides you need to cut. A special tool, it trims. I will put the link on the description for that too on both sides. So this is replacement knife for them. It's quite cheap in China and lasts very long. About I can cut with them about 200-250 meters of edge bended materials. So let's look what inside in this big box. You can see many small boxes inside. I am wondering what. You can see the packaging is quite well, as I mentioned in previous videos. Yes, I will put inside here. Couple of them go down to the floor, and that's it. I will put this next to us. Let's start to look. I will start from this one. This is very nice tool. They have two companies which from China, quality ones. This Gunway and Hongduo. Hongduo more expensive, but the quality of Hongduo also higher than this one. You can cut it here. This is mainly for when you are gluing the boards and glue goes outside to clean it. In many other people I see they like similar tools. I will use and tell my opinion in the next videos. Also it comes with its hex Torx screwdriver tip to change the direction in fourth direction. I think it will last very long time till I will need replacement for this. But this cutter's also very cheap in China. It is not a problem to buy when I will need it. For all tools, if things I'm unboxing, I will put links. I'm buying them from Taobao. I will put links and prices for all of them. So if you need, you can try by yourself. This is very simple thing. You are screwing this on a round wood, putting it on the drill, and can rotate for sanding it. Very cheap thing, just take to try how it will work. Let's look inside of this lovely small box. I think this is handle for these sandpapers. No, sorry. This is stops for MFT style table bench. Also I have bought MFT style bench with all kind of accessories to do straight kites on it, like Festool has with Traxo, Traxo railgate. I will do unboxing for all of that accessories. I will try and use, then will tell my opinion about that. And this is just extra accessories for MFT style table bench. As you know, there are holes on it, and you can put on holes this, and it will make like stop for doing some planing or other anything. This is 20mm version as well. They have 90mm version for this. Compared with known brands, it's quite cheap. So this part aluminum, this also aluminum, feels very solid in hand, and I think the quality also quite good. You will see this in use in my future videos. Let's look what inside this one. This is Chinese, I think duplicate some famous brand for this ruler. This part is brass, aluminum, and I think this is steel. I bought metric version, they have also imperial version. Let's try to look how accurate it is. I have this regular one. I bought it from Germany. This is, I think, Bauhaus shop internal brand. Let's look. As we can see, it's quite precise. But I will do another simple test. Just a moment, I will take pencil. We need to draw two lines like this and this. If these lines parallel to each other, it means that it is 90 degrees. So it's not ideally parallel, but very good precision for the price for this ruler. And the last box, another, here is the sanding block. I bought a lot of extra sandpapers with different grades because it's cheap, much easier to buy at the same time when you are buying the tool, cheaper, and when you will need them you will not wait long time to receive them. Here it is. This is all aluminum, again, Gunway brand, Chinese brand. Brass. Like this, when you are turning it, it go to back and tighten the belt inside, and vice versa. For sanding in tight places, corners, and small, delicate, gentle works, I think it will work very fine. We'll use it, and in my future videos I will tell my opinion after use, how it's in use, but it feels quite quality, good aluminum and anidium painted. Hope in use it will be useful. Thank you for watching. Wait for next videos.